I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about knee kickers for carpet installation. Now, a lot of times they use knee kickers to stretch stairs, but I also use it to stretch out the carpet on the floor if it's not a huge area and I can get a good stretch on it with just a knee stretcher. Nice thing about this is they're relatively inexpensive and you can pick them up at any home improvement store. Now, when stretching the carpet, you want to go ahead and measure out your carpet, get as close as possible, and then you will start in the middle of the wall and kick it towards the wall. Make sure you stay a little bit away, that way you aren't damaging the wall. And then you'll either fasten it with a tack strip or staples, depending on what you're using. Now after that, you'll actually have some wrinkles going on a 45. So then you take and you put it here, going at a little bit of a 45, and then you stretch it here. That way, it stretches all those wrinkles out, and you can work those towards your wall, and it makes for a very nice looking carpet. Now let's say you're using the knee kick to stretch up stairs. You'll go ahead, fasten the bottom to the bottom of the stairs, run it up and on top of the step. Then you'll take and put it right in that corner and kick it back in there. And then you'll go through and put staples along the seam. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just talked about using a knee kick for your carpet installation. Thank you for watching. Good luck with this project.